kids! Today we're going to learn about colors, counting, shapes, animals, and even a little bit about our feelings using these cool birdhouse toys. Do you have a birdhouse in your backyard? What sound does a bird make? Can you tweet like a bird? Let's take a look at our birdhouses. This birdhouse is purple. Over here on the front is a number 1, and the number 1 is inside of a circle. This birdhouse is orange. Over here on the front is the number 2. Can you count to 2? 1, 2. And the number 2 is inside of a heart. This birdhouse is blue. Over here on the front is the number 3. Let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. And the number 3 here is inside of a triangle, which happens to have 3 sides. Do you know what color this birdhouse is? Yeah, it's red. Over here on the front is the number 4. Let's try counting to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the number 4 here is inside of a square, which has 4 sides. And what color is this birdhouse? Yeah, it's green. And over here on the front, it has the number 5. Let's try counting to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you know what this shape is here that the 5 is inside of? Yeah, it's a pentagon. It has 5 sides. Let's see who lives inside these houses. Let's see who's inside this purple house. It's a purple bird. Over behind him, he has 1 tail feather, just like the number 1 on his birdhouse. And check out this bird's face. What sort of feeling do you think he has? Yeah, he's mad. I'm sorry, Mr. Purple Bird. I don't know why you're mad, but I hope you feel better soon. Have you ever felt really mad about something? Now it's time to see who's in our orange birdhouse. Look, it's an orange bird. Over behind him, he has 2 tail feathers, just like the 2 on his birdhouse. And look at his face. What sort of feeling do you think Mr. Orange Bird has? Yeah, he's happy. What's something that made you happy today? Let's check out our blue birdhouse. Who's inside? It's a blue bird. Over behind him, he has 3 tail feathers, just like the 3 on his birdhouse. And look at his face. What sort of feeling do you think Mr. Bluebird has? Yeah, he's crying. He must be really sad. Do you ever get sad? Now it's time to see who's in our red birdhouse. It's a red bird. Over behind him, he has 4 tail feathers, just like the 4 on his birdhouse. And look at his face. He looks confused. Do you ever get confused? Like maybe by something you were learning at school? Last but not least, let's see who's in the green birdhouse. It's a green bird. Over behind him, he has 5 tail feathers, just like the 5 on his birdhouse. And look at the face this green bird is making. He's got his eyes closed. He must be really tired and sleepy. Do you get really tired right before you go to sleep at night? Or even when you wake up in the morning? Now that we've taken all the birds out of their houses, let's try mixing them up. Now that we've mixed up all the birds in the houses, let's try putting them back where they go. Starting with this one. What color is this bird? Yeah, he's purple. And remember, he has one tail feather. Do you see the birdhouse where the purple bird should go? Yeah, it's right here. Time to go home, Mr. Purple Bird. Now let's do this little guy, the orange bird. Do you see the house where the orange bird should go? Yeah, it's right here. See you later, Mr. Orange Bird. Okay, who should we do next? How about this one? The red bird. Do you see which house the red bird should go to? Yeah, way over here on the left. Bye, Mr. Redbird. Okay, we're almost done here. Let's try another one. Let's do the bluebird. Do you see where the bluebird's house is? Yeah, it's right here. Cheer up, Mr. Bluebird, you're going home now. And we only got one color left, so let's just match them up. We got our sleepy Mr. Greenbird, and here's his house. Have a good nap, Mr. Greenbird. Great job, everybody. You learned all about colors, counting, shapes, cute birds, and we even talked about our feelings. I hope you had fun. Thanks so much for playing with me today. I'll see you again next time. Bye.